Smart Animal Body Parts ABP Kit. This study aims to examine the effectiveness of gamification in enhancing motivation and engagement among primary school students in learning science, especially the topic of animal body parts and their functions. It focuses on identifying the relationship between gamification methods and students' motivation as well as their engagement in the learning process. What is the problem statement? People struggle to remember animal body parts and their functions. Difficulty reading and pronouncing names in English and Malay. Low motivation and focus during science lessons. Hard to understand the importance of each body part. Then, how to solve these problems? There we invent Smart Animal Body Parts Kits. This kit improves reading, pronunciation, and recognition of animals' body parts. Understand the function and importance of each part in dual language through touch and manipulation. Increase motivation, engagement, and active participation. Helps students focus and reduce distraction in class. What do we gain from this study? The findings of the Smart Animal Body Parts project show that pupils improve in recalling and naming animal body parts as well as understanding their functions. They were able to read and pronounce the terms more confidently in both English and Malay. The physical gamification activity increased students' motivation, engagement, and focus during science lesson. Overall, students show a more positive attitude toward learning and actively participated in hands-on activities, making the learning process enjoyable and effective. This approach uses physical gamification to teach science in a fun and sound way by combining dual language English and Malay labels, interactive tools such as a spinning wheel, smart flashcards, mini-zoo digital game, and puzzle activities. It encourages active movement and touch, provides instant feedback through physical interaction, and keeps students motivated and focused. The method supports mixed ability learners, helps students remember animal body parts and understand their functions, improves reading and pronunciation in both languages, increases interest in science, reduces distraction, and builds confidence through enjoyable learning experiences. This is the flow of how to play animal body parts puzzle. Start. Number 1. Give a set of puzzle pieces to all the students. Number 2. Students will look at the puzzle pieces. Number 3. Match and place puzzle pieces correctly. 4. Finish assemble the puzzle pieces. And the last, read the animal body part. From here, the students will identify and recognize the animal body parts correctly. Finish. This is interactive quiz. Start. Teacher will share interactive quiz link animal body part with the students. 2. Students will open the link. 3. Students will read and answer the questions carefully. 4. View score. And the last, students can download or print auto-generate certificate. Students can try again to answer the quiz. Finish. This is how to play game label animal body parts. Start. 1. Prepare the materials. Students will receive a laminated picture of an animal and a marker pen. 2. Observe the picture. Look carefully at the animal and identify its body parts. 3. Read the labels. Read and given body part names provided by the teacher. 4. Write the labels. Write the correct body part name directly on the laminated picture at the correct place. 5. Check your work. Review your answers and make sure each label matches the correct body part. 6. Discuss and learn. Share your answers with your friends or listen to the teacher's explanation. And 7. Erase and reuse. After the activity, wipe the laminated picture clean and get ready for the next learner. That's all. Finish. How to play the missing letters animal body parts. Start. 1. Prepare bottle caps with individual letters written clearly on each cap. 2. Display a board with animal pictures and the names of their body parts with some letters missing. 3. Ask pupils to observe the picture and read the incomplete word carefully. 4. Pupils pick the correct bottle caps to complete the missing letters or the animal body parts name. 5. Arrange and fix the selected letters on the board in the correct order to spell the animal body part. 6. Check the spelling together as a class and pronounce the word aloud. 7. Repeat the activity with different animal body parts for more practice and fun. Finish. How to play Smart Board Animal Body Part Kit. Start. 1. People take turns to spin the arrow on the smart board. 2. Watch carefully where the arrow stops. 3. Observe the animal shown and identify the missing body part. 4. Pick the correct body part and match it to the animal. 5. Stick or place it correctly on the smart board. 6. Read and say the name of the body part aloud. 7. Pick and state the function of the body part together. Stick on the board. 8. Pick and state the animal as the similar body part together. That's all. Repeat the same steps again and again. Finish. The Smart Animals Body Parts Kit can be produced as a low-cost physical learning set for primary schools, easily packaged with cards, puzzle, labels, and guides, and marketed as a dual-language science resources for Year 1 to 3 students in schools, learning centers, and homeschooling. Overall, this physical gamification tool makes science learning more engaging and effective by helping students remember animal body parts, understand their functions, improve reading in English and Malay, and increase motivation, focus, confidence, and active classroom participation.